Subscribe to Femina and press the bell icon.
Hi guys, Sanjana here from Femina's Beauty Tea, and I'm here to show you today how you can take care of your skin this summer season. Is your skin feeling dry and dull and tired as well? Well, we have a hack for you. It's more like a trend that's caught up with everybody. I'm sure you are all crazy about sheet masks and lip masks and eye masks, but if there's one trend that works really well for summers, it's the multi-masking trend. Yes, applying different layers of face masks as per your skin concerns on different areas of your skin is what works wonders for summers. So here I'm going to show you how you can try different masks and calm your skin and have a happy, healthy, smiling skin even in summer season. So let's have a look.
Pretend everything is fine and maybe it'll be not just in the dreams. Break through. Break through. With you. I think we should run away. Act like everything's okay. Make a Christmas with you. Break through. You act like they don't bother you, and it's so insane, the things that you don't know you do. And I'm still healing in vain, 'cause you know that I am always bruised. You're in love with the pain, and I'm the one that's being used. Just gotta choose. Break through. Break through. With you. I think we should run away. Act like everything's okay. Make a Christmas with you. Break through.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Do tell us in the comment section below, and I'll see you again next week. Bye.